Welcome to the Marty Sat YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the platform to build a website for your seafood market business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you're unfamiliar with the Marty Sat platform, Marty Sat is the easiest way to create a one-page website. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It was designed for small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So let's get cracking. Once you've joined the market, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. As I mentioned, there's hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses. So let's go ahead and search for seafood market. There is an option for seafood restaurants as well if you have a market within your restaurant. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead and select the market template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our seafood market. Let's go ahead and put in that company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. I'm now going to change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put our phone number in as well as our email address. Let's move along. Where is our seafood market located? Let's go ahead and put that street address in, as well as the postal code. Let's click continue and move along. Great, let's get our hours set up. What time does our market open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's do a quick review and make sure everything's in order. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to go next. And look at that. Marty's House has literally generated a one-page website for my seafood market in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all very high quality and they all are completely free to use. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for a seafood market. However, if you've got some of your own images of the different products that you stock at your seafood market, and maybe you want to make one or two amendments to the content that has been pre-written for you, just as a guideline, you can easily do that. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer with a huge budget. It's not necessary. It's super simple. So I'm going to walk you through the top to the bottom through each section just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. So I'm going to head to the top and click on update section. I'm now going to make sure I say show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner of my Marty Sites website next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way, so my customers can easily get in touch with me. Let's go ahead and save that and head on to the social links. Over here, you can put in your various social media platforms, and the icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. So your customers can easily click on those social media platform links, be taken directly to your platform to give you a follow and get some engagement going. Let's make sure that's saved, close, and move along. I'm now going to hit to update section over here and hit to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional. However, if you don't have a logo and you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer, I do recommend that you check out canva.com. There are some great options on there that are free to use. But I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. Awesome. I'm now going to save my logo. Great. I can make it bigger and smaller to suit my needs. So I'm going to make it slightly bigger, save it, and move along. Now, as I said, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website that we've actually also pre-selected the colors for you. You can see this is like a red color, I guess. a dark red. However, if it doesn't go with your branding used throughout your seafood markets, maybe you have a more neutral color on your business cards and stuff like that, you don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner of your page and go through the various colors available. So I like this one as it almost reminds me of an ocean and that one. So I'm going to save that one and move along. Now you can see it's used throughout my website for each of the sections. Great. Let's move on to the next one. Over here, we're going to click on update section and I'm going to be showing you today how you can amend those images. All you need to do is click on update image. If you have your own images of your different products and your seafood markets, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of free images to choose from and they are all completely free to use. No licenses necessary. So I really like this one. I'm going to go ahead and select that one. I'm going to make sure my image is saved and look at that. That actually looks wonderful. I'm now going to hit update content. Over here, feel free to change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button can link to various places. So perhaps you don't want it to say get directions. Maybe you want it to say view our specials. Let's go ahead and choose a link. We can link to another website if need be. We can link to an action like click to call, directions, or click to email. But for this one, I want to upload a PDF file of all my different promotions I'm currently running, of all the different seafood items on promotion, on sale. I'm going to browse my device and upload my PDF file with my promotions and click confirm. So when my customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to the PDF file that I've just uploaded. Over here, again, another section. Feel free to make those amendments by clicking on update section. Over here, button can link to various places. Now we've made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your seafood market came to be, how you got into the industry. Perhaps you're a keen fisherman or something along those lines. Go ahead and put all the different information over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. Another great spot for a high quality image, but I think this one's absolutely suitable, so I'm definitely leaving it as is. Over here onto the next section, go ahead and click this nifty button over here saying update section to change that image from the photo library or upload one of your own. This is really high quality and suitable, so I'm actually leaving it exactly the way it is. I'm very happy with it. We've now made our way into the services section. So over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer. So perhaps you offer a loyalty program. Maybe you don't only offer seafood. Maybe you're also offering seasonings and sauces to complement the seafood. Go ahead and put the different seafood that you offer over here. Maybe you offer salmon, lobster, maybe do prepared salads as well to go with the seafood. So go ahead and pop all those details over here so your customers know what they can find at your seafood market. If you need to make amendments, go ahead and click on update section over here. If you need to make any changes to the times, the trading hours, and the address that we've previously put in, go ahead and update section over here. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our seafood market in less than 10 minutes, made amendments, chose some images that are very high quality. It's literally been such a breeze. Didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to get any assistance from a web developer. It's been super simple. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is that free trial available for 7 days. You don't even need to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. If you have a custom domain, we understand that with a professional website, you do want to have a custom domain. So go ahead and click on connect your domain here to set that up. There is a YouTube tutorial available for that to find a step-by-step guide on how to connect your domain on Mighty Sites, as well as a blog post over on our website www.mightysites.com. There is a small business website blog. There is a step-by-step guide there, and there's also you can find some tips and advice on how to market your small business online. If you don't have a domain yet, the great news is on Mighty Sites, you can now purchase your domain via our website. So click on Connect Your Domain, purchase a custom domain if you don't have one already, and let us know how it goes. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if there's any features you'd like to see or any suggestions that you'd like to see on the Mighty Sites platform in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.